Good afternoon, everybody. It's Marcia from Kansas Misfit. I'm letting you see our little calf. My husband calls him Fonzie. One standing up here at the white face, turning around, walking towards Mr. Domino. Mr. Domino's the Red Bull sitting there, or laying there on the ground, all comfortable. With these beautiful bulls and cows, heifers, I should say. These are the heifers and the babies, because the bulls with the heifers. Hey, Mr. Domino. Oh, and you gotta go. Hey, girl, you wanna come over here? I'll pet you. Come over here and I'll pet you. I don't have no grain for you. Come over here and say hi to YouTube. Just want everybody to see the heifers. There's one way over there. See it? In the trees? Looking this way. There's some more shingles that fell from the wind. Let me show you the building, man. We're trying to get someone to help us rebuild it, but we don't want to spend an arm and a leg. But the wind came and just tore it up. Well, this side looks pretty much laid down, but it's all messed up. Hey, girls. You coming over to see me? Mr. Domino, you're standing up. Scratching his backside on the tree. Not much of a tree to scratch with. The girls are coming now. Come over here and I'll scratch you. I'll scratch you on your back. Come here, girls. Want me to scratch you? Are you chewing up your second breakfast? There's little Fonzie. That must be Mama right there. So beautiful. Aren't they? You curious, number 85? Come here. I'll scratch you behind the ear. Excuse me. Mr. Domino, if you're itchy, I can scratch your back. Come here. Found the water. We put those water tanks in when we first moved out here. Big chunk of money. But it don't freeze, and they always have water. I bet she's thirsty too, huh? Anyway, there's the heifers and the calves and the bull. Don't know what we're going to do with the bull. Anyway, I wanted to share the babies. I don't know what happened to Fonzie. Maybe it's, oh, it's on the other side of that cow there. But ever since I come over here, they're all standing up now. Even the babies. Well, I was going to show you that roof. Got distracted by the cows. This side, right here, it is not as bad. David hooked it down some, but the whole thing needs replaced. This don't look too bad right here, but it's bad. And if you look, I'm going to get up to the fence and it's all farther I can go. If you look on the other side, you can see the hole. Whoops, you can see the hole right there. It's on the other side and needs a lot of repair. A lot of repair. Even over here where there's a hole right above this tub. Right there. Where it's all torn up. We need the whole thing replaced. Some of the 2x4s, as you can see that in there, it's hanging down. Right here needs replaced. There's someone else that just ripped right out. You coming over here to say hi? Come here. I'll scratch you behind the ears. Anyway, we're trying to find someone that can help fix that. We want to save the building. So, because the posts are all still good, just needs repaired. Anyway, that's all I have to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed the cattle a little bit here. We can walk over here and see where the cows are. And these are heifers. The cows are out here. So, there's two of them there. One there. And then there's a few out there where the hay balers are at. Let me get you closer so you can see that. Oops, there we go. Anyway, that's the cattle. Out there by those trees, on the other side of those trees is a pond for them to get water that's out here in this field. Anyway, get this back to normal. Whoops, there we go. Now the cows are following me over here. There's Mr. Domino. Hey, Mr. Domino. Yeah, that's you. Come here. I want to scratch you behind the ear. Come here, big boy. Come here. Can I scratch you behind the ear? Oh, the chickens are here. The chickens follow me over here to the cows. They're not scared of the cows, are they? They know where the food's at. Because those cows don't eat all their corn. And the chickens say, I'll eat it. Looky, they ain't afraid of nothing, are they? Chickens and cows, do they go together? Wow. My chickens like the cows. Are you checking them out, Mr. Domino? You checking them out? Chickens and dominoes. I mean chickens and cattle. Never have I ever thought of a chicken being able to get along with cows and bulls, especially bulls. They seem to get along pretty good, don't they? That's cute. Anyway, a little bit of entertainment for you guys today. Chickens and cattle. Guess I'll let you go for now, and we'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Ta-ta.